you, best friend. All right, you see that log? All right, latch is open. Let's see who's waiting for us. Oh yeah, that's some big boys. All right, I think I got them. Ooh, those are big boys. Hey, do not want to dance with them cats. Churning rocks back here, ain't you?
Yeah. Oh yeah. It'll be that way in all of them.
Yeah.
All in shallows. Now here you'll just have to grab a hold to the box for me.
All right.
Oh, yeah, they're bailing out.
Oh,
They're bailing out.
forgot, my bad.
No, you're good.
Forgot about the inside wasp.
Grab that pole.
Ooh, there's one on my back. And that can's gone.
You probably got him.
Yeah, they're moving pretty slow. All right, lesson learned on that one. Get the bottom, go straight to the hole.
Yeah, once I bump it, so it's a
Yeah.
delicate balance of you grabbing it
Right.
and then me and us latching on and spraying in there and
Yeah.
being able to get to the latch quick in case we need a bail.
Yeah, I was too worried about the latch. Still missed it. All right. Oh. Ooh, dang, this is full of eggs. Drop the nail.
Drop the nail.
I got it, I got it.
So you can put the nail, you got, where's it at? In your pocket or in that little hole right there.
Gotcha.
Bigger oblong one, so you can tell the difference between wood duck and merganser, and I normally gotta look it up, but
Is that a phone? The baby Sasquatch?
those are also the wider ones are mergansers.
Oh, okay.
These are wood duck, I believe, the oblong
Okay.
and smaller. I had to look it up too. I don't want to tell you wrong. I just gotta refresh my memory.
Gotcha.
Yeah. None hatched.
So what's the percentage on the ones that do hatch? Do you know?
I don't really. I mean,
They're really hard to say, I guess.
it's hard because some of them you'll get to, and it'll be like 3 unhatched eggs or maybe none.
Yeah. All right, maybe it is baby Sasquatch. You ready to close her back up?
Yep.
All right.
Ready to look at the radar too.
Last time I checked, it was all going north of us. I mean, the clouds don't look terrible. That wind feels like it's bringing something.
I know.
Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. GoPro. What? Oh my gosh. Tell me that's not a gar. Tell me that's not a gar. That looked like a gar. Oh man. That looks like a gar. Come on, dude. Come on. What in the world? This is only 8-pound line, dude. I can't pull you out of the grass. I can't do it. Whatever you are, I cannot pull you out of the grass, man. Oh, that's a bass. Hang on, buddy. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. Hang on, buddy. Stay out of the grass, please. Oh, you're in the grass, dude. Don't get in the grass, man. I ain't got enough line strength to pull you out of the grass. Hold what you got. Hold what you got. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hold what you got. Oh, you're loose again. All right, hang on there. Hang on. Hang on. Hang on, buddy. Come on up here. Come on. We'll get your picture. That's all we're gonna do. Get your picture. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Why don't I have a net by now? Oh! Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hang on. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hey. Come here, man, please. Oh. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Woo. Son, you got my lure. Don't even care. Don't even care. Oh man, you weren't coming off though, were you? No, no. Oh, maybe you were. Wow. That's a beauty. That is a beauty. Right before the storm comes in, baby. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Gosh, what a beautiful fish. Thanks, buddy. Ooh, son. Man, that was awesome. All right. Let's caught that bad boy on chase baits. Flip-flop, green pumpkin. Creature bait. Not very durable. Brim tore the legs off in the first cast. First fish you got it, bait was gone, but you know what? Just catching fish, it's hard to complain too much. Let's see if we can do it again. Ooh, son. Wow. GoPro, tell me you're in 360 mode. Holy cow. Did not expect that. Getting nibbles on my creature bait. So I threw on a crappie jig, twirly tail grub, and I pull out this beast of a bluegill. Oh my gosh. What an absolute beauty. Man, please tell me y'all can see that. Wow. All right. Gotta get some, ooh, come on, buddy. Stay with me. Oh, you peed on me. I earned it. That's hand size, pan size right there, y'all. Man, that's a fat bluegill. Ooh, look at him. Hang on, bud. Hang what you got there. Nice. Wow. There we go. There we go. Oh, we got a little bass? No. Another bluegill. There we go. Knew there had to be more of y'all out there. Knew there had to be more of you. Man. Woo, hang on, buddy. Hang on, hang on. Hey, hey, hey. Stay cool. Stay cool. Hey. Ow, that hurt, man. Cool, buddy. Oh, you got done like, oh man. Get wrapped up in my line. Hey, there we go. Big head bluegill. Thanks, buddy. Paid for that one though. Alright, YouTube. One thing GoPro doesn't mention when they advertise the GoPro Max, the 360-degree camera, that it is not made to run in 360 mode continuously. It will overheat, and it does regularly, especially in Alabama in July. So, go on a chest mount to hopefully keep it out of the sun. And since I've got it regular video mode, might as well be on my chest. Oh man, I keep missing hits. On my chest and not on the camera pole. So, still trying to catch panfish. Caught two nice ones. Really love to catch another one. Got the Yum curly tail grub, Christmas tree color, on a pink crappie jig head. That color catches fish everywhere. And I do mean everywhere. Alright, little fellers. Y'all want to nibble? Let's do something to nibble. If I can cast that little jig into the wind. Ooh, barely. Oh! Alright, you nibbled it, didn't you? I hear you, son. Didn't even let it hit the bottom. Alright, now we got us what? Long ear sunfish. No, y'all. I need to. Look at it, marked almost like, wow, stripes. Huh. Some kind of sunfish. I'm gonna have to look you up, buddy. Alright, alright. Get that hook out your face. There we go. Thank you, man. Not bad. Middle of the day. 4 sunfish and 1 really nice bucket mouth. I'll take it, you two. Y'all seen my fishing trips, man. This is what we call a good day at Alabama Floats. There you go. Get in here. Get in here. Come on. I'm gonna let you. Oh, I don't want you jumping off, little buddy. There we go. Oh, another one. Alright. Same as that last fish, except bigger. Gosh, I should take the time to Google it. Assuming I have a signal. Some kind of sunfish. Oh, don't stab me, man. Pretty little dude. Look at him. Hey, man, I can't tell what you are, though. Appreciate you, buddy.